Yeah.
He went and gathered up some of them like Tony used to do you.
Well, that's a good thing because he probably throws away some good stuff you could use.
Nah, he's got stuff. He's got a bunch of it. He wasn't doing it.
He's got it all piled up over there, all kind of shapes and sizes.
Well, that's good. It's good to have some little pieces of stuff because you need some every once in a while.
It's just work.
Yeah, I tell you, Cowboy Kelly, you right. I see what y'all saying about others' neighbors' dogs harassing. You know what? Since somebody stole Bulldog, I ain't got no compassion for nobody else's dogs. And since I got indigestion, I got even less today. They can keep I'm like Grandma, they can keep their dogs at home.
I mean, these people up here ain't going to do it. I mean, they're going to show me, and there was some youngins riding a bicycle, and they was following them.
Is that their two of their little puppies?
No, that didn't look like them.
Well, I wonder who they belong to. But they got to go. I saw them out there yesterday in Miss Della's yard trying to come over here.
See?
It's a solid white one that comes down here. He come running across the yard. I opened the door, and there he was. And I think that man was up there whistling, trying to get him back. But they let them run around up there in their yard, but they don't stay up there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad, Sherry, I'm glad Danny's got him some projects going too. I got a couple of projects for him myself. Ain't that right, baby?
I didn't hear anything.
Sherry says she was glad you got you some projects going, and I said I am too, and I got a couple of projects for you myself.
Yeah, if I ever started, there's no telling what I'm liable to do if I ever get started.
Well, you ain't gonna start another project until you do mine.
And what's that?
You done forgot about the bar I want up in the closet?
Ain't you been talking about I had a couple of years?
Yes, I sure have.
She
Y'all
ain't
see
forgot
what
it either.
y'all see what he does whenever I asked him to do something? But I'm to the point now where it's gonna get done. Trust me.
Or somebody gonna take one?
Yeah, or you gonna get in trouble. 98 more to go. Grandma, you gonna have to come up here after the live and kill flies. Do you want me to come hold it for you?
No.
He said you fixing to see a safety concern that has the word fire on it, but don't worry about it. Everything's under control. He said he would probably have a heart attack if he saw another one that said fire. But I was it was kind of funny though, but I was melting some plastic and wires to cut the solder on a unit I was taking apart, and I was doing it with a heat gun, and it was fine. And I had put the heat gun back on the hook and turned it off, and my boss, he just was walking by, and he kind of smelt that, and he said, "Are you burning something?" I said, "No, sir, I'm not burning the thing. I'm just heating this up so I can cut these solder joints." Oh, what y'all think? Hey, Jody, still praying for you, Shug, and your friend's family. Lynn Burns, how are you doing? Are you any better? I saw you singing your little song saying goodbye.
Oh, you did?
I did.
I'll finish putting all the screws in here after I get off the live. Look at that.
Oh, goodness.
Can you see them? How bent that is?
Yeah, I do.
Well, there's a pile of wood out there under that shelter that's got black widow spiders all in it. It's gonna be took out and hauled off on
This
one of
right
the
here.
projects.
This is my hinge.
So I guess we'll just have to wait until you turn 78.
See, that wood's also hard too.
Well, that's all right, Tammy. You have to have a lot of time off for more important stuff than that.
I'll be there.
Pretty talented family here, but Jody, I know that don't include me. I'm not talented. Yes, ma'am. She has been sick. All
What
right.
what kind of birdhouse is that gonna be, Danny?
It's a feeder.
Oh, a feeder.
Mm. The flies is getting a little smarter now, y'all. Y'all like my new blue fly swatter? Oh, well, my indigestion seems to be getting a little bit better. The Pepto-Bismol helped, I guess.
See, this is the hinge.
Yep.
It's
So you
enough
can
to put feed in it.
open and close the lid. Sometimes I feel like I need a hinge on me. Jenny Jane says her birthday is the same day as Miss Helen's sister's was. Ah,
The 13th. Oh,
well, happy belated
Tammy, can
birthday, Janie Jane.
you ask Grandma if she is getting the chicken video that I am sending her? What?
Are you sending it on Facebook Messenger, Cindy?
If you are, I think you ain't seen it, cause show all them extra places.
Uh-oh, living life loving fell down the Timu hole. I hear you. Hey, well, I had been doing real good, but my sweet viewer sent me $50, and I used it on Timu Sunday night. I got me 3 dresses and 3 shirts and something else, but I don't remember what it was. But she sent me $50 and she said, here's you some Timu money. And that's exactly what I done with it. I can't wait for you to see my Easter dress, Grandma. I just hope it fits.
Oh, gracious.
I ordered a large instead of an extra large. And this is one of my new chief shirts that I got on. And I ordered a large in it, and it fits. I mean, it ain't baggy by no means. It shows every roll. But I got tired of them real big baggy shirts. Prayers for Stephen's acid reflux. Yeah, he has it too, Pamela. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. But I see you're supposed to put equal amount of water in it.
What about Alka-Seltzer? That don't help.
Not really, Grandma. It keeps you from wanting to scream, but I took one this morning and it didn't seem to help very much.
I mean, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what it does to you.
Yeah, I got about 350 points, Jody. Build up in Timu. But you have to spend money to use them. It works, sip it. Okay, Sippy. Free, free, free. But you have to pay. That's right, Jody. You get 6 free things, but you have to pay. Sometimes it's $35, sometimes it's 40, and sometimes it's 50 in order to get your free stuff. You'll
Jody,
get
I,
you sit there for 30 minutes, or I will, and decide what I want for my free stuff. Because I don't want just anything. And then when I get my 6 free things picked out, it says minimum $50 to check out. So you can't check out until you find $50 worth of stuff you want to pay for. So I said I was going to try to just order one time a month. But that one time I ordered Sunday, that was with somebody else's money. So I still have me one time this month. So the next time they send me that free, I might check into it. But I tell you, the best thing that I've got from them that I love is their bed sheets. Their bed sheets, they lay good, they feel good, and they stay on the bed. I've got me 3 sets of them, and I love them. So I recommend their bed sheets. And I love all my Patrick Mahomes and Kansas City Chiefs stuff. Shirts and blankets and shoes and oh, I did order a pair of Kansas City Chiefs shoes. They finally had some, but I put them on, but I hadn't wore them anywhere yet because they didn't feel quite as good as all my shoes I'd got used to wearing. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to stretch them or break them in or do something.
Danny, sounds like you might have to add on to her closet.
hey, you can't get in there. You see that black right there?
Ooh,
Yeah.
Sippy had $1,000 credit. Oh,
This is hitting the screw.
oh, okay. Well, I can see where that would be a problem.
That thing is gonna be heavy because it's big wood.
You about got that thing finished, hadn't you?
Well, hey, that's a few more minutes.
Hey, Ladybug. I see you.
I got to cut.
All right. He said he got to cut another piece.
I said a couple more things to do.
Oh.
I had I had to put this piece on, because it was in 2 pieces. But
Yeah.
now I'm fixing to put the rest of them on.
Did Miss Helen get her hummingbird spinner figure out, or does Mr. Danny need to do it?
I didn't know try to do that yet because I didn't know if I was doing it right, but I'll get it. Oh, I see doves out there. They fighting redbirds.
Yes, ma'am. We had some doves up here this weekend.
One time I had some white looking ones with a black ring around his neck. They were so pretty.
Hey, Miss Peggy.
I don't know how many there are out there. There's a bunch of them.
He's still living. Them dogs went on, Grandma.
Well, I don't know where they come from.
But you right, they'll probably be back, but they gonna get run off again.
I think I seen one up the road, up Snell Bridge Road, a black one that was running around like he was lost or something. Somebody probably put him out. I ain't never seen Danny wear a bracelet before in my life. But he's wearing that one.
One of my girlfriends bought this.
Well, you like it because you still got it on.
Yeah, I did have two on, but it kept going down my arm.
I got mine on too.
Yeah, Tammy got one too.
His girlfriend sent me one too.
Oh, maybe that thing up there at the top would straighten up if I could turn it off, but I couldn't figure out how to turn it off.
I will, but it looks like it's tore up to me.
Tore up.
With Mr. Hodges.
Hey, I was gonna put this on it, but if I put it on,
They don't care about that.
it don't matter. It don't matter. See, you saying you don't care about the stick?
They don't care about it. Them, you better not feed them squirrels because they will eat up your wiring and everything else in your house.
Well, it's too late, Grandma. They already eaten.
Well,
Janie Jane says, hold it down.
says what?
Janie Jane says, hold your button down.
The top button is the sound button, and the second button, I'm holding it and ain't doing nothing.
When I say the top, I mean the top of the laptop. I mean the top of the thing, not the top button on the side.
Oh, oh, well, you didn't tell me that.
But I didn't know I had to.
Well, you do.
Yes, you have to explain.
In details. I'm holding it down and it ain't doing nothing.
You have to me too. Living Life Loving said, hold both buttons at the same time.
What buttons?
I reckon them two on the side.
One of them is a sound button.
I'm just reading the comments, Grandma.
Oh, I found it. I messed it.
Yay!
The top one and the bottom one. Oh, gracious. I just learned something.
All right.
I hope the thing is gone when I turn it back on.
I hope it is too after all that.
That happened during my live today, and I don't know how come it happened.
Oh.
Because I didn't mash up any buttons. All right, I'm going to turn it back on. And I hope that thing is gone. Oh,
Y'all,
that's the apple.
have y'all heard from Tony Z? Is he doing good? I don't see him in here.
This right here, I bent, that's copper. This right here. I drilled a hole in it and I put that out of copper right in it. But that's strong copper there. But it will bend, but a bird won't bend it. They can
Oh.
have a good time trying, but they won't get it.
I'm checking out my tablet.
Yep, Michelle, I think that's the same medicine that I take. And for a couple of years, I didn't have any problem with it. It's not working anymore.
So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Besides, I need to put more screws in.
Danny,
Yeah,
you got a slight bit of echo in your thing there you doing.
yeah, you do too.
I do too.
Yeah,
Boy, you gonna go broke filling all that big old house up with seeds.
yep.
Well, he can have fun till he goes broke, I reckon.
I'm wanting to go get me a 100-pound bag.
You got a 50-pound bag in the trunk of the car we can't even get out.
Well, I got one too, and I got it out and put it in a barrel.
Well, I can't get it out of the car. It's been in there
Oh,
a couple of weeks.
That's pretty, Danny.
dang. That must got wet there. See
Well,
that growing?
It did rain.
Yeah, but the bag was closed up.
They'll eat it. Oh. Y'all can see them vehicles going down the road good, can't you?
Well,
Too
is
bad
any birds coming out there, Danny?
Yeah,
Now?
nah, they don't come.
No, not with him sitting on the porch.
What am I going to do about all them pieces in there? Them roots in there?
They
I
don't.
didn't get him.
They'll knock them out. They don't. Where's my phone? I can't find my phone.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, it ain't in there. Where is my phone?
You didn't leave it at the chicken pen, did you?
No, I don't leave it there. I put it. I found it.
Flex seal. Hey,
I'll
Melissa.
show you that. I'll show you, Danny.
Hey, Denise and Q Berry.
Oh, this is it right here. Where you at, Danny?
I'm standing right.
Okay, here's a picture of it.
No, I can see you now.
Huh?
I can't see you.
Well, walk in here and you can.
Okay.